This 2008 4 Winds International 4 Winds 5029R is a Class C RV. It is located in Redmond, Oregon, 97756 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Redmond. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used 4 Winds International is 31 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 8, Slideout, and 40 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, rear bedroom. This 2008 4 Winds International 4 Winds 5029R is built on a Ford chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.